Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to fix yourselves. Come on, move. So, good morning everyone. Before we'll start, I would like to congratulate you all for being one of the newly hired employees in this company. A round of applause for everyone for this. So, welcome to the team guys and welcome to the company as well. So, before I start, allow me to introduce myself. I am Mr. John Fultian Gasad, HR Manager of this company. Before anything else, I would like to give a brief overview of our company. We were founded in 2005 and have grown to be a leader in the tech industry. Our mission is to innovate and provide one of the top services for clients. So feel free to ask questions guys, okay? Yes, sir. Very good.
By the way guys, I forgot to check your attendance. Can you please raise your hand if your name is called, okay? Cassie Puerto?
Sir.
Ivistel Dumabas?
Sir.
Kathleen Salino?
Sir.
And Jillian Galvadores?
Sir.
Okay, yeah. All are present, very good.
So the first topic that I will be going to orient you guys about our company is about our culture. So the company's culture is built on collaboration, innovation, and respect. We believe in fostering a positive and inclusive environment where people can thrive. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Miss Cassie.
How about the company's policy?
Thank you for that question, Miss Cassie. To answer that question, we all know that as you read your handbook or the employee handbook of our company, we have a zero tolerance policy for discrimination and harassment. And we encourage everyone to have a healthy work-life balance inside this community or inside this workplace. Okay?
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Very good.
Sir,
Yes.
what about the dress code, sir?
So, talking about the dress code of our company, we have a business casual dress code of this company. But on Fridays, we allow you to dress whatever you want to dress. So, wear a casual dress, but always remember that you need to maintain your professional appearances. Got it, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, moving on to the benefits of the company, we offer comprehensive health insurances, a savings, and etc. So, in terms of this one, or in short, our business is more on savings, more on health insurances. So, I got you guys. With the professional development opportunities, we have a variety of training programs, workshops, and tuition reimbursement for relevant courses. We believe in investing in our employees' growth and development. So this is not just about working. This is not just about yourself, but also to enhance yourselves or to develop your skills so that you can work with others in terms or in good terms. Okay? So guys, expect also that the company is having an expectations for you guys. We expect you to have your value, integrity, accountability, and passionate about your work. Okay? And also having teamwork. You know guys, the teamwork is very important. Or working together is necessary so that at the end of the time we achieve or we will be going to achieve our goal and to help this company into a better one. Okay? Okay. So, assume also that at the end of the month or every 1 month, we will be having a feedbacking. So, what is this? So, if we talk about feedbacking, we will be going to have you one by one with your supervisors to talk about your experience during your work at your workplace. So, are we clear with that?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, how are you going to get started in this company or to your work? We paired each of you with a mentor which will help you to acclimate. When we say the word acclimate, they will help you to adjust in your work, in your workplace. So, I'm assuming or I am expecting that you will be a good one with your mentor, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, before I will end this orientation, may I ask you one by one to have your expectations with this company? Okay? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, I need 2 volunteers to have your expectations with this company. So, please, the floor is yours. Sir?
My expectation for this company is about good communication with my co-workers in our workplace.
So thank you for your expectation in this company. So another one?
Sir,
Okay, Ms. Kathleen.
My expectation for this company is having a good condition for my supervisor and coworkers.
Wow. I would hope so. Thank you for that also. So, thank you everyone for listening in this orientation. And I hope you gain a lot of knowledge in terms of our company's condition, terms, regulations, and rules. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to your new journey?
Yes, sir.
Very awesome. Congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So, I hope guys know that you will work hard and always remember that you will put God at the center of everything. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Congrats!